What is a black hole? I think that everyone in his life has heard about this cosmic phenomenon, but few people have thought about what it hides in itself. Today, I will tell you a few facts about a black hole. Sit down more comfortably, pour tea, and be surprised. How does a black hole form? It's very simple. Imagine a dying star that is on the way to extinction. The star begins to lose thermonuclear fuel. The star's reaction begins to stop. After all this, the star should cool down, which will lead to a decrease in internal pressure and compression of the star under the influence of gravity. The core of a massive star turns into a black hole during gravitational collapse. Imagine the Earth, which must shrink so that its huge mass moves into a small volume with the size of a tennis ball. After this, a supernova explosion occurs. What's inside a black hole? At the moment, there is no exact answer as to what might be inside. There are only assumptions of scientists. Someone says that when you get into a black hole, time will stop, and for you 1 minute of spending there will be like 1 million years passed on Earth. Someone says that the laws of physics are completely absent inside a black hole. And someone generally assumes that a black hole is like a portal to another universe. Unfortunately, we will never know the exact answer in our lives, since a person cannot physically get to the nearest black hole. Even if he happens to be next to it and gets there, then he will never return from there. It will be impossible. When you are inside the black hole, you will begin to stretch like a rubber band. So anything will start to stretch because of the high force of attraction. At the moment, the black hole will shrink for you, but then you will see how you will begin to get closer and closer to the mysterious black hole. Turning back, you will see how the light will dimly reach you and time will begin to slow down. The stronger the gravitational pull, the slower time flows. Compared to clocks in space, time on the surface of the sun slows down by 6 billionths, and at the surface of a black hole, where gravity is huge, time hardly moves. This phenomenon is simply amazing. In fact, you won't even have time to see it all, as you will already be torn apart at the initial stage. These are the realities, and what is really inside the black hole, alas, we will never be destined to find out. Unfortunately, the human foot cannot step that far. There are places where a person has no place to study. We can only speculate. What happens if two black holes collide? With such a physical phenomenon, a superscale release of energy will occur, equivalent to the explosion of 100 million supernovae, which can completely destroy this galaxy. Nothing can affect a black hole, since another black hole. Perhaps after that, a new universe will begin to emerge, with its own new history. Have you learned something new? If so, I was happy to share my opinion with you. What topic about space do you want to see on this channel next? Write in the comments. I will definitely read and make a video on this topic. Do you want to know more about space? Then watch my educational videos.